Okay, I know I just did like a 20-second video, but this is another one. Fucking, you see this out here? It's an orange hue. Everything is orange. This is a sandstorm. It's my first sandstorm. Oh, this is Staff Sergeant Hernandez.
Hello. Welcome to Kuwait. Alright, bitches! Boom! Headshot! I still look good in the sand, you know what I mean?
You're so stupid, bitch. Oh man, sandstorm everywhere. It's all over my eyes and shit. Woo! This is absolutely amazing. Oh, I can't even turn around right now.
Hey, Staff Sergeant.
Because the wind is coming in from this way, and if I turn around, it's just gonna get all up in my eye. Oh, this is absolutely amazing. I know it doesn't look like much on the video, but woo, this is good shit. Wow, there's Rivera covering up his face. There's somebody else. Quan, Chinese man, he's not using this stuff. Oh my god. No shit, huh? Oh, alright, well, that's enough of that. That's my first sandstorm in Kuwait. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I think they last for like a long ass time. Here's Doc trudging through the sandstorm. There's Palacios trudging through the sandstorm.
How do you like the sandstorm? Or is bananas? Everything's just going all black and shit.
You should have seen it when it first rolled in. It was Pandalirium. Whoa. Pandemonium, but anyways, Jeff Foxworthy. So, woo! Alright, that's enough.